Hi everyone, today we're unboxing the AI Smart Ring from Doziva. This is the box, and the model I have here is the Y10Pro Plus. Let's open it up. Inside we have the ring, a magnetic charging connector, and the user manual. Doziva Smart Ring is a sleek and innovative wearable designed to enhance your daily life. Equipped with advanced AI features, it offers health tracking, smart notifications, and seamless connectivity, all packed into a compact, stylish design. Perfect for staying on top of your fitness and staying connected on the go. The Doziva Smart Ring offers a comfortable fit and is designed to suit your lifestyle. You can choose the perfect size for your finger when ordering directly from their website. The Doziva Smart Ring features a durable ceramic build that's lightweight, stylish, and designed for lasting comfort and elegance. The Doziva Smart Ring is water and dust-proof with an IP68 rating, making it reliable for everyday use and outdoor activities. Now, to activate the Doziva Smart Ring, you'll need to charge it first. It uses magnetic charging, and if the red light is blinking, it means the battery is low and is currently charging. Now, the green light has turned on, which means the ring is fully charged and ready to use. To connect the Doziva Smart Ring, you'll need to download the app. Head to the Play Store and search for Doziva Ring, or simply scan the QR code in the manual. Once downloaded, install and open the app. Log into your account, then enable Bluetooth and location on your device. The app will automatically detect the ring and you can connect it easily. On the home page, you'll find 3 sections at the top: Sleep, Status, and Activity. In the Sleep section, you can view your sleep analysis. Scroll down and click View Details to access comprehensive data, including sleep distribution, heart rate during sleep, blood oxygen levels, HRV, and body temperature. In the Status section, click View Details to access detailed information about your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, HRV, and body temperature. In the Activity section, click View Details to see detailed information about your daily steps and calories burned. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to learn more about this smart ring or purchase one, click the link in the description below.